Let's learn how you can set custom photo widget on iPhone. So as Apple doesn't have this add-on, let's call it that, installed, you'll have to install a third-party application. For example, I installed this photo widget application. You can find it on App Store. When you have installed it, you want to place custom photo you want. For example, if you enter the application, you will have to go through tutorial. After you finish that, your application should look like this. As you can see, if you click on plus icon and create a widget, then you will have to click on photo. Gallery will appear here and you want to select which kind of photo you want. After you have finished, for example, like me, it will appear like this one. So I have added one photo to my album because I don't want more photos. Then when you add this album and create it, you want to go back to your home screen. Now long press on home screen so you can edit it. So click edit button in top left corner and then click add widget. Now you want to scroll all the way down and find photo widget option here. Click it. Select which kind of photo your widget want to be, then click add widget. You want to tap on it now and widget type choose, click on photo and select album. Choose album you have added your photo in and just go back to normal screen. And as you can see here, your photo will appear as widget on your home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.